Oralex U-boats are the foundation of our build. A proprietary, specially engineered rubber wonder, these flexible U-shaped fittings isolate and decouple your new floor from the surrounding structure, minimizing vibration and thus sound transfer. We found the installation to be very straightforward. Place a U-boat every 12 inches under the exterior frame members and every 18 inches under your interior members. We found a single brad nail was enough to help any stubborn U-boat fit snugly. With your U-boats installed, it's time to drop the floor into place. Next up, installing mineral fiber insulation.